If you are looking for a laser machine that is portable, engraves very well, can do laser cutting, has wireless capability, and is in a decent budget range, search no more. This is the LaserMaster 3 LE from ORTUR. And in this video, I'm gonna show you what this beast can do. Hi, I'm Sol, the creator behind CoffeeBreakph, a channel dedicated to DIY and technology and totally not coffee related at all. See? Water. As I mentioned earlier, this is one of the latest laser machines from ORTUR. Aside from the sleek and premium body, this has the LU210A module, which is a 10-watt laser module which has a built-in air assist integration, dual fans, and foldable focal gauge. This machine has a speed up to 15,000 mm per minute. It also has a built-in Wi-Fi, meaning you can operate it wirelessly and with your phone. But before anything else, I'll show you first what's included in the box. Upon opening the box, you'll see everything are snug and secured with foams. And I mean lots and lots of foams. So we got the manual and a bunch of documentations, airflow regulator, air pipe, power cable, laser wire, Wi-Fi antenna, power adapter, LU210A laser module, a small bag of wrench, Allen keys, cable ties, and a bunch of materials for testing, rear assembly, USB cable, laser goggle, X-axis assembly, two side profiles, and the front assembly. To set up this machine, first we work on with the side profiles. Attach them to the front assembly and secure it using the Allen key. After, flip the machine upside down, then get the M4 6mm screw, then drive it in to secure the side profiles. When done, flip back the machine. Now we'll work on with the X-axis assembly. Carefully slide in the X-axis assembly through the channels of the side profiles. Then to make sure both sides are aligned, slide the gantry all the way to the front. Get the rear assembly and secure it to the side profiles using the M5 25mm screws. For the second time, flip the machine upside down. Then secure the rear assembly with the M4 6mm screws. Now let's work on with the belts. Loosen the screws in the rear assembly. By doing this, we loosen the belt tensioner. Then loop the belt around the stepper motor in the front assembly. Tighten the screw to put tension to the belt, but make sure it's not over tightened or not too loose. Then do the same to the other side. Once you got the tension that you want on both sides, tighten the screws located on the sides. This will secure the belt tensioners in place. Flip back the machine and then let's work on with the laser module. Get the laser wire and connect it to the wire from the front assembly labeled L. On the same bundled wires, look for the wires labeled X, then connect it to the stepper motor of the X-axis gantry. Then get some cable ties to secure the loose wires. Get the thumb screw and drive it into the back of the laser module. Slide the module to the X-axis gantry and then tighten the thumb screw. Then attach the laser wire to the top of the laser module. As I mentioned earlier, this machine is capable of wireless connection. Attach the Wi-Fi antenna on the left side of the machine near the USB port and the power port. Then one last thing, included in the plastic bag is a small USB. Get the memory card from it and insert it in the slot in the board. It's located behind the front assembly. Your machine will not work properly without it. And that's it for our setup. Wait. Hi. Before operating this machine, make sure that the surface it is on is level. Wear the protective goggles if you need to look at the laser while it's on. I highly suggest you purchase your own mesh platform. This reduces the burn marks at the bottom of your piece when cutting, plus it makes your engraving and cutting a lot safer. Another accessory that you can invest on is an air assist. This will almost give you clean surfaces when cutting. The LU210A has an integrated air assist, so just remove the rubber plug on top and insert the air pipe. If you are interested in getting these accessories, I'll put the link in the description below on where to buy one. Okay, so what can I say about this machine? Setup is really easy. The instructions are in the manual, or you can just follow my instructions in this video because they're just basically the same. As for the build, it really feels and looks premium. It really looks like this machine will last. Okay, so would I recommend this machine? Definitely, yes. All the features that it has and all the stuff that you can make with it, it's really worth it. So if you have any questions about this machine, leave a comment down below and I'll try to answer it in my TikTok account. Here. And that's it for our video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. Mas